The first step is to open your Canva design and click on the image to select it. Click Edit Photo. Click Magic Edit. You'll get a message to brush over the image. If you need to adjust the brush size, drag and drop the slider button to your desired brush size. To brush over the part of the image you want to edit, with your mouse, click and drag your cursor, then drop it on the end of the part you want to edit. With the editing portion chosen, click Continue. Type in what you want to replace the selected area into the field labeled. It will be created for you using AI. Scroll down and click Generate. Click to choose one of the options to add it to your image. If you want to be shown different results, click Generate New Results. Click to choose from the new options. When you are satisfied with the new image, click the back arrow to close Magic Edit. Click in the Design area to close the Tools menu. That's it. You're done.